Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to delete friends on Roblox. Whether you've added someone by mistake or just want to clean up your friend list, this step-by-step guide will help you out. First of all, launch open the Roblox application on your device and then make sure that you are logged into the account. After you're signed into your Roblox account, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab or the Connections tab at the top. This will show you all of your friends or connections. Now, scroll through your list and then find the person you want to remove. After selecting their profile picture from the list, go ahead and select one of the contacts and tap on their name. In the pop-up, swipe up and down and click on View Full Profile. Now their profile will open up on the page. Click on Remove Connection at the top right, or you might also see the Unfriend button. Tap on that. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unfriend the contact. So that's how you can easily delete or remove a friend on Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.